Christian, catch us up here on the case.
Yeah, well, it's great to be with you, Ike. So as you mentioned, this is in the jury's hands, right? But just to kind of bring you back to the 30,000-foot view, this goes back to early 2023. And police allege that James Craig purchased a series of poisons, and poisoned his wife through her protein shakes, her workout shakes. So this led to some kind of mysterious illness that she went to the hospital for various times. And on her last hospital visits, according to prosecutors, he gave her a fatal dose of cyanide, and she was declared brain dead soon after. James Craig himself did not testify on his behalf. That's somewhat typical in these kinds of cases, of course, given the presumption of innocence. And there were no other witnesses called on behalf of the defense. But during cross-examination and opening statements, closing arguments as well, his defense attorneys argued that she may have, Angela Craig, wanted to kill herself because of an affair that he was having with someone else. And so there's a lot of layers to this, but this was a 2-week-long trial, Ike, and it's now in the jury's hands.
And Christian, any word on a potential motive?
Yeah. So what prosecutors are saying is that James Craig, it is true that he had an affair. The woman that he was having an affair with did testify during the trial. And what they are saying is that he killed his wife in order to kind of start a new life with this woman. So James and Angela Craig, they were married for more than 30 years. Their Mormon faith added to the gravity of the separation. So there was a lot to the divorce itself. But they were having an affair, or he was having an affair rather, with this woman, Karen Kane, who is an orthodontist who lives in Texas. They met during a conference in Las Vegas. And at one point, Karen Kane testified that they had texted 4,000 times in the span of 18 days. Prosecutors don't believe, for the record, that Kane knew about or was in any way involved in Angela Craig's death. In fact, in a text read in court, Craig said Kane texted that Angela thought he had drugged her, adding, "I would never drug you," is what he told Karen Kane, just for the record. He wrote her several times from jail after he was arrested. She burned some of those letters. She turned others into detectives. Her final message to him, Ike, was, "Do not write me anymore."
Christian Cordero, thank you for that update.